you learn like 4 or 5 things, but the richness that you would get from a learning team would be about 15 things.
Learning from Normal Work podcast with Dr. Marcin Nazaruk.
Tell us a few more words about how the participants who demonstrated effective use and implementation of learning teams overcome those barriers and concerns from the leaders.
And so what people said was that there was a problem that they were trying to solve. It wasn't that they were saying to their leadership, "Oh, there's this snazzy process that's going to help you really find out what's going on." Instead, it was, "Oh my goodness, we've got repeats of issues. Let's try something different." And that seemed to land very well with leadership in terms of getting sponsorship for doing something different, because they're obviously, the leaders care deeply about safety, and they are dumbfounded when they get repeats. And telling people to follow the rules or they'll be punished, or to try harder or be more careful, or don't step in the line of fire. And that's the classic, don't put yourself in the line of fire, that wasn't working out for them. And so people say, well, let's try something different. This is a process that's been working in other companies and other industries, and let's get together with the people who actually do the work. And there was a very impactful slide from Barbara Cristin-Ziani, but also other people, that showed what you would get from a standard investigation. You learn like 4 or 5 things, but the richness that you would get from a learning team would be about 15 things, and that then you could see how those things would interact together, and you would actually see the reality of work, where people would see from the learning team that the way that the work had to be done to be completed was in fact totally different from the perception of how the work. So you had to put your hands in the line of fire to complete this work, rather than just using a simple tool that then was created so that people wouldn't have to put their hands in the line of fire.